So most awaited Seedance 2.5 model is available on Higgsfield right now, and I just tried it and created this amazing cinematic video with just using one prompt. Please see this. Okay, so overall Seedance 2.5 model is coming up with the amazing feature like it can create a 30 seconds long video with just using one prompt with a multi-cam angle, and also it create a character consistency within all those 30 seconds multiple shots as well. Also, the quality of overall Seedance 2.5 model is amazing, very much realistic and cinematic videos you can achieve using this. So let's see how we can create this kind of amazing video using Seedance 2.5 inside Higgsfield right now. So let's get started. So as you can see, Seedance 2.5 model is inside a Higgsfield. So I just open a Higgsfield and I will just go in create videos model. As you can see, Seedance 2.5 model have amazing feature, which is I can create a 30 seconds of the video using just one prompt. Also, I can give a reference of some elements, some images as well. So one drawback which I have seen in this Seedance 2.5 model is that I can create the highest quality is 720p. Oh, I hope 1080p quality will be available soon. Okay, so to create this amazing video, I have created some narration first. Okay, so I have some story in my mind and I just put that story in a Claude and ask Claude to generate the overall shot details, character details, and everything inside it. So I have complete storyline over here ready. As you can see, with everything like a character sheet details, all prompts for the shots. Now I jumped inside a ChatGPT to generate images of the characters and background. Okay, so let me upload this file and type a prompt that go to this document first. So let's see how it will read. Okay, so all the details it is reading that overall story, overall characters and everything. Now what I will do, I will type a prompt over here and tell it that create character sheet of a girl who is create a character sheet of a ski girl. Okay, and it should be very realistic. So I wanted to be very specific about look and feel inside ChatGPT. So as I have entered the prompt, let's see what it will create. All right, so it generated an image of a ski girl. Okay, and as I can see, all the gears are in place. Her jacket color is amazing and her face detailing is really nice. So with that, I can able to generate very realistic character. Now let's move on and let's create a character sheet for a bear. Meanwhile, as you can see, every details are there mentioned. And now, yeah, here it is the bear character sheet. And over here as well, all the details of the bear are clearly mentioned. Everything is there, which looks amazing. Now let's create some environment sheet first. Okay. I think there are multiple environment sheet over here created. I think almost 3 locations are there. Yes, so 3 locations which are mentioned over here. And now let's create a environment sheet. Uh, I have a doubt that whether ChatGPT create three different images or one single image with all three locations in place. So let's hit the prompt. All right, so it created all three images collated inside one, and it also gave all the details over here. So, okay, so all the detail, character sheet and images ingredients are in place. Now I'm going to create a prompt. So my overall video will be of a 60-second long. So I'm going to create it in two parts only. But the best thing is that Seedance 2.5 can able to generate an video of a 30 seconds long. So I don't need to write down so many prompts and put it and create a smaller chunks of the video and then compose it. uh, so it will take care of all the different angles and consistency. So I will copy this prompt for a first instance. I will upload all the as a reference, all the images as a reference inside. I'm just going to copy paste the prompt as well. We will let these images get uploaded, and it should be verified inside Higgsfield. All right, so I will paste a prompt over here. And as you can see, I can give references of the image inside a prompt, so it will not get confused. So what I will do, I will attach each image to the reference by using @. So here, each one character is attached. So rest of the references it will take automatically. And I have selected Seedance 2.5 model, 16:9, 30-second should be the final output link. So as you can see, 720p is the last option for me to select the quality. Now let's see what it will generate. All right, so as you can see, my first video is generated over here, and let's see how it will look. So let's play it. All right, amazing. So all the shots are accurately captured with a multiple angle. Character consistency is amazing, and as you can see in a close-up shot, all the details on her face are clearly looking. Okay, so I am very much satisfied with this shot. Now let's go for the second shot. So I will go back to Claude and copy the second prompt. All right, so I don't think I need to make a lot of changes in it. What I will do, I will just paste a prompt over here, and I need to attach references again. No need to upload images one more time because all are in place. So I have just attached an images inside it. Okay, rest of the settings will be the same. Let hit generate. All right, so second scene is also generated. Let's see how it will look. All right, so motion, speed, and everything is looking so accurate in this. And the one best part is the sound quality is also really good. So I'm very much satisfied with this Seedance 2.5 model because it have a great features like a character consistency, multiple camera angles, and in every angle, the overall character props, everything is in place. So after joining all this shot, final movie is looking something like this. All right, so this is looking so amazing. If you want me to create more videos using Seedance 2.5, please don't forget to subscribe my channel all the time. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot.